Moto GP. 23 laps coming your way for the Premier Class ride.
Look to the light, top left corner, and away we go to turn one. But look at Dovi from ninth.
Brilliant start then by Andrea Dovizioso.
Honda, Ducati. Cal Crutchlow with a brilliant start himself.
Dovizioso's gained 7 places on this first lap, and now he leads the charge against Marc Marquez.
Marc Marquez might
doing, well, 220 miles an hour without a toe, but Miller with the slipstream forced his way up the inside of Crutchlow and Petrucci. So he did it when he started way back in Austin, 13th, wasn't he? He was in the top 6 at the end of the first lap. Just at the top of your picture on 1:47.907. He's getting tight between the two men.
Dovi, here comes Rins. Neatly done. Well executed move that from the Suzuki ride.
A bit nervous and twitchy on the gas with a bit of lean angle coming out of Bacini corner. Is he going to get swallowed up in the slipstream?
In the background there, he tags the back of Joan Mir going into the chicane.
Deary me, poor old Joan Mir.
Here comes the other Ducati, but Marquez says no you don't. He goes into turn one, he squeezes through, but he's well wide. And now Rins.
Marc Marquez getting dumped up by the Ducatis, and now the Suzukis are coming to the fore as well.
No Yamaha in sight. Morbidelli leading the Yamaha charge in ninth as we go across the line here.
He's crashed out. Alex Rins so close to T-boning. Marc Marquez, there is then contact.
Miller with the inside line. He's not going to get that stopped as he just gets it settled as he tips into turn one.
And open up, what, 3 or 4 bike lengths on Petrucci. It's Miller that now gets picked off. A little bit wide. Contact. Rossi has gone down. Well, the doctor's disaster is complete.